in this video, I will show you how to create a hotel booking website in Wix. So first, all you have to do is go to wix.com and then you need to create an account right here. If you don't have, then basically you can just go to sign up for Wix free account. You must have your email address and password. Or I think the easiest way to create a Wix account is by just connecting your Google account to your Wix. So as you can see here is the way or method and how to sign up for Wix. Email, confirm email, password, but you can also connect it to your Google. So once you have your Wix, this is what it looks like. These are my unpublished or not published sites. And if you want to edit that, you just have to simply tap edit. Select an edit site if you want to edit your site. Now, for our tutorial, we will be creating a hotel website or hotel booking website. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap on create new site. And then here you will see create sites with Wix Studios, new editor for agency. So Wix will ask you to try Wix Studio, which is for advanced learners or which is for advanced features. If you want to try this, just stop this one. But if you are a beginner, then I strongly suggest to try create on Wix Studio. Now you can also ask ideas from AI. You can start a chat and tell everything you want. For example, how to personalize dashboard and everything. But as a beginner, again, I strongly suggest to select the second one, which is set up without chat. Now, what type of website do you want to create? So our website will be all about hotel booking. So basically you can type it right here, hotel booking. So you will see this hotel booking agency and so on. So we can just simply tap on hotel and I will be showing you how to set up a hotel booking website later. Tap this one and then after that tap on continue. It's now preparing your dashboard. So what would you like to call to your website, which is your hotel booking website? So for me, the name of my hotel booking website is the Velvet Crew. After that, once you have added the name here, you can tap on continue. And then you can choose the app you want or you would like to add. So for example, this one, Wix Hotels, it's already built in. You can manage and grow your hospitality business. I'm going to show you later on your dashboard, on my dashboard rather. You can also tap bookings. Let your clients schedule appointments on your hotel booking website. You can also tap this one. So discover more apps if you want to create events, sell tickets, or the RSVP. So you can tap this one right here. If you want also blog, if you want to install chat on your website, you can also tap that one and so on. Table reservation for dinners. You can also click this one. For the meantime, this is all. I can click and then tap on continue. So you're all set. Continue to dashboard. So it's really easy to create a hotel booking website here on Wix. All you have to do is to follow this instruction right here to set up your business. So if you have your domain, if you have your custom domain, all you have to do is to basically add this by pasting that here. Now, if you don't have yet, then all you have to do is look for a domain, but actually this is not for free. You need to pay for this one. So this is the recommended domain, and all you have to do is tap on let's go and see how much you need to pay in order for you to get a domain. So suppose that you have your domain already, then you can now start with your room type. But for the domain, you can just basically do that one later. You can design your site first and then decide what custom domain you want. So now let's proceed to our room type. Just tap on add room type right here. Okay. Complete setup for Wix Hotels. So all you have to do is to read this one and then tap on start now. Okay. Read the following and then tap on agree and add. And then here it is. Now you can access all of this feature and then customize your site. So for room type, let's just do that one later. Okay. Now let's move on to set up your payment methods. Tap on set up payment or set up payments right here. So for payment methods, it's also depend on your location or your business location. So if you're currently in Hong Kong, then basically you can now accept payments by just adding or connecting to Stripe and then connect your bank account to your Stripe. So Stripe accepts Visa, American Express, and so on. All you have to do is tap on connect and connect your Wix to Stripe, connect your bank account to Stripe. Also, for me, the easiest is this one. Allows you to accept PayPal payments. All you have to do here is tap connect. Just connect your PayPal account to Wix. Don't worry, Wix is a safe platform. And then we have here the manual payments. All you have to do is tap on connect. And then you can select any of this type. For example, manual, and then add instruction, cash payment, add instruction, offline payment, cash on delivery, add instruction. And basically that's it. Okay, so we have designed your website, but first we have to go to this get found on Google. So basically, if you want to get found on Google, all you have to do is tap this get started right here. Follow the instruction for SEO setup on Wix. Okay, so you can tap on start now and just follow everything here. So it takes time because since this is not really our focus, you could just follow the instruction right here. And then once you're done with it, you can now go back to your setup. Okay, so we have here add your first room type. So we can tap this one right here. And for the design your website, we can also do that after we add some room type. So let's go to add room type, tap this one. Okay, so what type of property do you have? This is the name. Okay, property, let's just say hotel, and then tap on save. So all you have to do is to read the following terms and conditions. After that, what you're going to do next is tap on agree and continue. So we will be creating a room type. So all you have to do is tap this one right here, tap create a new type. Let's just say classic room. Tap on next. So you can write the name here, adult capacity, total capacity, number of rooms, and then revenue accounts. Okay, so this is the first display name, the first room, the group suite, adult capacity 2, children 2, number of rooms 2, accommodation, and tap on next. Okay, so you can add the price, the guest. Also, you will see here all the calculation after you have added information here. Once done, tap on next. You can also tap popular amenities here. For example, there is the city view, okay, Queen. You can also see park view, breakfast area, there is. Cable TV, there is. All you have to do is select the item that is available in each room, okay? And then after that, tap on next. Now it's about to upload photos here. Tap on upload media. Upload from computer. But if you don't have one, then you can also upload from media library or Wix library. But of course, you are promoting your own hotel booking website, so you need to have your own picture. Add to page and then tap on complete setup. Now what you're going to do is you have to do this all over if you want to add another room type. You can just basically follow the instruction like what I've showed you earlier. Tap on save. So since I'm just using the basic version, so I cannot add more rooms, but I strongly suggest to upgrade your premium into premium plan so that it would be easier for you to unlock other features right here, like adding more room types. So that's how you add room to your hotel booking website. Now let's go to our site. As you can see, these are all in progress. Tap on design site right here. Now, how would you like to design your website? So you can ask the help from AI, but just choose the second one. Pick a template as a beginner. And then you will see here tons of templates that you can use. So these are the best match. So you can try any of this here as long as it is for free. But if you have upgraded your plan, then there are more templates. So for the sake of this tutorial, I want to edit this template right here. And this is your Wix, so you can now edit this one right here. As you can see, there is this add elements section, pages and menu, site design, apps, business media, and CMS. It's now adding Wix hotels right here, so you have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then here it is, and all you have to do is to edit this. You can zoom in so that you can see everything here. Now, you can just basically edit everything. So quick edit if you want to edit this part right here. If you want to edit the name, just click this one and then you can edit the name. Replace this with your hotel name. So double click and then paste the name of your hotel. You can change the heading. Okay. So for example, this one right here, you could also change the font. Everything is up to you. And you can also add some effects. Okay, so just do it here. And this is what it looks like. Now you can also delete a certain text or element that you think is not necessary. And here on the left side is your social bar. You can just insert your social media links right here. For example, if you want to insert or paste your Facebook site, you can just paste it right here. If you want to paste your Pinterest site, paste it right here. Instagram, just paste it right here. Okay, now below you can see your other section. And if you want, or if you have your own background, if you want to change the background of your hotel booking website, you can just basically tap this one right here and you can change your background. Tap on change background image, tap on change background, and here it is. Also, you can do the same up here if you want to change the background here, change the background, and here it is. If you want to delete a section, for example, you think that this one is unnecessary, you can just basically tap and then delete. Now, talking about add elements, if you want to add elements, just tap it right here. Let's just say I wanted to add gallery, slider galleries. Before that, you can tap on add section. Tap the elements right here. For example, you want to add from any of this, just click, for example, gallery, and then slider galleries. Tap this one. All you have to do is to replace each of the picture right here. And here are the images from my hotel booking website. Now, again, if you want to add another section, and then this time you have to go to um, add section. So let's just say you want to add a contact form for your clients or customers so that it would be easier for them to reach you. You can just basically select from any of this, for example, this one, and it will be added directly to your template. And here it is, and all you have to do is to change the address and the number, and then your site. You can also add your social media accounts here. You can add more section if you want to. And then for pages and menu, here is where you can add a page. These are the things that you can see here on your header, as you can see. So if you think that something is not necessary, you can just basically delete this one. You can just also replace each. So everything is up to you. You can put it up right here. Okay, so for example, this one is unnecessary. You can just delete this part. And if you want to add page, just click on add page right here, and you can add other. For example, if you want to add pricing plans, okay, you can also do that. Projects, okay, just add this one right here and it will be added to your header. Okay, you can see there is this projects right here. Now there is this site and design where you can edit your site, customize your site, change the color theme, text theme, page background. If you want to install your Wix store, you can just go to Wix Market or install any applications such as Stripe for payment method and other things. Just install it right here. Wix store, because this one is very important if you're running a store on your business. Also, there is this my business. You can see here the Wix events and tickets if you are planning to do RSVPs, all Wix forms and payments, members area, and so on. Also, if you want to add more media, upload your media right here and social media account, just go to media. And if you want to add your CMS, just click this one, tap this, add the site. If you want to preview your site before you publish, tap on to view. And if you want to publish this, just tap on publish. So everything is up to you. And this is how you create hotel booking website. And this is how you create hotel booking website in Wix. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.